Hey everybody, my name is Lance Davies. I'm with the sales team at Acroname, and we're here at InfoComm 2026, excited to show you all about how USB and extension can finally be managed, and you can have visibility to your connectivity end-to-end for a USB connection through an extension. So today we're showing the USBExt3c by Acroname. And what this is a managed extender, first in its class, a managed USB 3 extender that integrates not only USB 3 extension technology from HDBaseT and Valens, but we're also integrating into this extender a USB 3 host switch. So it's a host switching extender that has full management and visibility. So what we're going to show you here is a demo of an extension. We're going to show you the block diagram of this right here. This is the system setup. We have our host computer connected to the extender. The extender is being powered by power delivery. Power delivery is going to charge our laptop and power the far side extension. So 5 gigabits USB all the way through to the far side, where we will have a 5 gigabit connection to the Sennheiser Team Connect bar. In addition, not only are we sending power down this link, it's going from USB power delivery to PoE to power delivery again. And we can power the camera remotely, not only data, but power transported across the extension. With managed extension, we can provide visibility to end-to-end on the USB data link, cable properties, power on each side of the extension and through the middle. So we get USB visibility at the extender, visibility through the extension link, and on the far side. And this is extensive management capability. Let's take a closer look at that. So here on our screen, we have Acroname's control room software, representative of what is possible. Just like the demonstration setup, representation of the near side extender, the extension link, and the far side extender. And we can see that we have a USB link to our host machine. We have an active USB 5 gigabits link on the extension. And we see the equivalent on the far side with the data link to the camera and also power going to the camera. End-to-end visibility all the way through. We can also see visibility of power. We can see the power flow, power coming in to power our near side extender, power that's going to my local laptop, power transported over PoE, and the full power distribution and allocation on the far side. So in the end, what we're here to do is provide visibility and management end-to-end for USB 3 connections that you've never had before. In your lab, in your installations, in your classrooms, and through your management systems. USB doesn't have to be a black box anymore. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lance from Acroname. If you'd like some more information on the USBExt3c, our managed extender with a host switch, please come see Acroname at acroname.com. Thanks so much. Have a great show.